We'll guide you through how to make an automatic wheat farm in Minecraft. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, a big shout out to our sponsor, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to Minecraft server host, and they've got so many awesome features. For example, one-click install mod pack, so it's super easy to go and add a mod pack. 24/7 servers and support, so this means you can get help with your server anytime you need it. Also, there's ultra low latency and instant setup, so you can get playing as soon as you go and get your server. It's super simple. So if you're interested, there'll be a link in the pinned comment and the description. Thank you so much, and let's get into the video. Here's what you're roughly going to go and need. Some type of block to build with, like cobblestone, dirt, 3 dispensers, redstone, a lever, chests, 2 should be enough, a hopper, and then at least 5 buckets of water. Now let's go and start building. So first of all, you need to build a 7x7 dirt pad. Here's how it looks, and then what you need to do is go and build another 7x7 pad, but 1 block above it, like so. Here's how it's looking, and then what you need to do is go and make another 7x7 pad 1 block above it. Here are the 3 7x7 pads. So what you need to do is come to one side and come to the second pad. In the corner here, place a block, and then come out, and you need to start placing a row of block just following the line like so. Allow a bit of overlap. Once again in this corner, place another block, and then place another block in the row, and then start building along. And yeah, keep repeating that. So it should go and look something like this, and you need to go and repeat it on the other side. So you can just go and rewind the video and do the same thing. It's now done on the other side, and then what you want to do is come to the end and place 1 block next to it, and then place 2 on top. And what we need to then do is go and have a line of blocks along the top here. Once you get to this position here, it's super important you leave the gap here as water will be running. So just keep building along the side of it, just like so. And so here's how it's currently looking. And then what you want to do is just come onto the top of them, and you want to go and add another layer of blocks all the way along as well. Just like so. And then we need to go and do the same thing on the other side. So we've now got the same thing on both sides. And then what we need to do is basically go and make sure we seal this hole in so we can have water running along. So all you need to do is go and have a row of blocks running along it just like this, and do the same thing on both sides. That's now been done, and then what you need to do is just place a block in front of each end like this. Then what you need to do is break the row of blocks in front of the lowest pad like so, and on one of the sides, then what we need to do is go and start breaking 3 blocks by 2. So it should look something like this. You can then go and place your chest in there like so, grab a hopper, and then all you need to do is hold your shift down and place it on the chest, and we're going to go and place another. So break this block here and place this hopper onto the other hopper like so. Then what you can do is cover up the hopper which connects to the chest like this. And what you can do is come to the end of the row of blocks here and then place a bucket of water, and then that water should go and run onto the hopper like so. Now let's go to the other end of the build, and we need to come up here. So what you're going to need to do is go and place a row of your blocks, i.e. cobblestone, whatever you're using. And then you're going to go and get the dispensers. So place a dispenser on the ends like so, and then 1 in the middle. Now what you want to do is come behind them, and you want to go and place a row of cobblestone or whatever block you're using, and then place another like this. And then what you're going to need to do is grab your redstone and link all of these up. Then just go and place a lever behind it. What you can do is link up redstone with repeaters right to the front, but I prefer just to keep it simple and have it at the back here. And what you need to do is come into each dispenser and go and put a bucket of water in. And while we're up here, break one of the blocks to the side, and we should go and see that sort of trench we built here. And what you then need to do is go and put in a bucket of water on both sides. And that should run all the way down. So if you then go right to the front here, we go and break a block, you should go and see water running like so. That's perfect. Now what I like to do as well is just go and put some torches along here just to go and keep it light. And what you want to do at the front here is build a bit of a wall. So what you want to do is just build along here. 2 blocks high should be plenty. So it should go and look something like this. And then what we're going to do is we need to go and get a hoe. So I'll grab one, and then we need to go and get it ready for seeds. And when you're ready, you can go and plant the seeds. When your crop is ready to harvest, aka the wheat, then we can come to the back and we can go and press on our lever like so. And as you can see, it's now all harvesting it just like this. As you can see, there was a bit of spill at the back here, so what we could do is add another row of blocks, and then all you need to do is go and stop the water by pressing the lever twice, like so. So here it is, I'll right click on it, and as you can see, it's now filling up. Do just be patient because it needs to go and move through the hopper, so as you can see, it's just going to fill, so you can go and wait, and that is it. If you guys found this useful, then please leave a like.